Hello everyone, welcome back to 5x Crypto, and today's code is airdrop. So let's type it up on Hamster Kombat. For this, just simply tap 3 times on the on per tab. This will turn red. After that, for A, we will just tap once and hold and release. So it will give us A. Now for I, we will just simply tap twice. 1, 2, and it will give us I. And for R, we need to just tap once, then hold, and then tap. And for D, we need to hold, then tap twice. Now for R, we know that we need to tap once, then hold, then tap once. Now for O, we need to hold 3 times. Now for P, we need to tap once, then hold twice, then tap once. And this is it. This is the code for today. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.